So it's actually been some time since I feel like every time I'm in the car, I'm moving, everything's shaking. This lady is always talking when I'm trying to talk. How rude. Anyways, it has been some time since I've actually gone out and done something with a friend. So Crystal invited me on a date and I'm so excited. I love a good girl date and I haven't seen her in some time, so I'm excited to try this new sushi restaurant. Honestly, am I a fan of sushi? I don't know, but you're gonna see because apparently this place is really good. So come on. I'm actually excited. This is the first time I've actually put something on my face, lip gloss and all these things, in a very long time because I've just been inside. But my ring is coming and I gotta be cute wherever I go. You know what I mean? Like, we gotta really stop playing games. Hey girl. Ah! You were taking forever, so I ordered chicken skewers. Oh, that's really bad. Oh, it's that. You should follow me on all social media platforms at TBD. Huh? Soon to come. Okay. Yes, she is. Nope. Okay, y'all. Look how good this is, girl. That's it. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe, comment, do all the things.
You know.
Yes. Okay, bye-bye.